Hello, in this video I'll show how you can make notations and make annotations in PDFs which have been saved in Mendeley, and how these highlights and annotations can be exported, which can be further used in QDAS like Atlas TI. The first thing that we need to do is again double click a document. Here I've already done some highlights. So let's say you're reading a document and you see you want to highlight this particular section. So once you do this, there are various ways you can do this, or you can click on this, or you can again select different colors. Generally I prefer using yellow colors to highlight my selection. So for example, I've highlighted this section, right? Again, if I want to highlight another section, I can again highlight. I can keep on doing this to the whole document. In addition to highlighting sections, I can also add comments to it. For example, if I right click on it, there's an option called add note. So whatever this is a note. This is a note. And the note stays attached to this particular document. Once you're done with annotating the PDF document, the next thing we need to do is we need to export this annotations for use in QDAS like Atlas TI. The way you do is if you click on File on the menu, there's an option called Export PDF with Annotations. Once you click that, there are two options showing what you want to do. You can export the document with the highlights and the notes, or you can just export the documents with the highlights only. For example, I just want to export the documents with highlights only. So if you click on this and press OK, now it will ask you of where do you want to save and what the name of the file will be. By default, whatever was the name of the file, it will attach this thing dash annotated at the end of the file, and then you can again specify where exactly you want to save that document. For example, I've already created a folder in my desktop which is used to store all these files that have been annotated in Mendeley. So if I just press save, again, because I've already saved another file of this, it's asking me if I want to overwrite. I'll say save. There is it. Now it's been saved. Now I can go and check of whether those documents have been saved or not. So if I click on desktop and this particular folder, I can see this particular file that I just annotated in Mendeley. If I go down, I can see the annotated marks that I've made. This was the section I just annotated in that in Mendeley. Because I did not export the notes, it's not appearing here. If I had exported a file with the notes would come right at the end of the PDF. And this is how you make annotations in a PDF in Mendeley, and how you export for further import in QDAS. Thank you.